No, we're continuing with Tromsø, as we said, also continuing into next year, and all the new Scandinavian destinations. I mean, the Italians, they love Scandinavia, it seems, and love Norway. We will then continue or have Helsinki, we will have Copenhagen, we will add Bergen, Stavanger, and also Oslo, obviously. And we're also going to continue with Tromsø for winter season. Yeah, so as I said, the hunger for both for Italians coming to Italy, the Italians coming to Norway, and the other way around. It's a huge market. Obviously, because it's a great airport and it's very centrally located. I mean, at least for Norwegians going out, or for Scandinavians going out, they love to go to the Legarda, they love to go to Milan, they love to go to Bergamo, of course. So it's a very easy accessible to the rest of Italy. So I think that's the main reason that we prefer to go here.